an important EBT Food Stamps update for November 2021. Here's what you need to know. As always, I'm Nicole from Low Income Relief, where we help millions of people save money and get free stuff. First, let's get to the big question everyone always asks, and that's, will you get more emergency food stamps? Since the start of the pandemic, the USDA has been granting waivers to states so that they can offer supplemental emergency allotments to food stamps. Some states have stopped requesting waivers and others are still providing them. As of the recording of this video, the following states have received emergency allotment waivers for November 2021: Alabama, Colorado, Hawaii, Indiana, Iowa, Kentucky, Maine, Maryland, Mississippi, New Hampshire, New Jersey, North Carolina, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, Tennessee, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. Unfortunately, even these higher than usual amounts of food stamps won't go as far due to rising food costs. Many items, especially meat, are becoming more expensive, and that's hurting low-income families. The increased food costs are being driven by several factors, including inflation and supply chain issues. A recent article revealed that the costs to ship food is becoming a major expense. The same refrigerated truck from California to New York that once cost around $3,000 before the pandemic now costs $10,000. Wooden pallets for meat and vegetables that used to be $7 to $9 are now $25 to $30, and these extra shipping costs are driving up the cost of food, and some experts are cautioning that it will only get worse as suppliers pass more of these costs on to customers. And this is a huge problem. Food banks are struggling to keep shelves stocked, and we're moving into the highest demand season for food banks. That is a big problem. And some states are also experiencing severe shortages of social workers to process applications for programs like food stamps, which means it's taking longer for new individuals and families to get benefits and for recertifications to happen. Things are rough, guys. I can't stress that enough. A recent study by Michigan State University found that 1 in 3 Americans are having a hard time getting healthy, affordable food. And that is a real problem, but fortunately we were able to find a little bit of good news. FarmBox RX is a nationwide online retailer that has been approved to accept SNAP EBT benefits. This company focuses on the mantra food is medicine and specifically promotes healthy food boxes. They have an anti-inflammatory box, a diabetic box, and more. Each box contains fresh produce and easy, nutritious recipes designed by a registered dietitian nutritionist. The boxes also include diet-specific produce, exercise and mental health games, and tips for healthy eating on a budget. And again, this is FarmBox RX, and they are now approved to accept EBT. We've also seen many more museums join Museums for All this month, which is always great. This program provides free and reduced price admission to museums, zoos, and aquariums all around the country. If you have an EBT card, you just show that at the desk and you get in with a discount. New museums include the Zibbawing Center in Michigan, the Santa Cruz Children's Museum of Discovery in California, the Nasher Sculpture Center in Texas, Carnegie Science Center in Pennsylvania, and more. You can always find a full list of discounted museums and other venues in your area at lowincomerelief.com/EBT. And of course, we also have some local EBT news as well. In Arkansas, Harp's food stores have been approved to accept EBT online. It joins many other retailers that have been approved for online EBT purchases around the country, including Walmart, Amazon, Aldi, Brookshire's Food and Pharmacy, City Markets, Hayes Supermarket, and Super One Foods. In California, if you've been affected by the recent power outages, then you may be eligible for extra food stamps. The state is approved to issue mass replacements to impacted households in certain zip codes across 14 different counties who have been impacted by extreme wind and public safety power shutoffs in October. DSNAP, or Disaster SNAP, has also been approved in 6 counties as a result of the wildfires that began in July. In Mississippi, over 14,000 P-EBT cards were deactivated by mistake. This specifically affected children who have an apostrophe in their first or last name. It's been an understandable worry for parents, but new P-EBT cards have been automatically issued for each affected child, and those cards should arrive within 7 to 10 days, and they should have all of the unspent funds available, so a solution is coming. In Oklahoma, the Homeland store in Perry is now participating in the Double Up Oklahoma program. This program doubles the value of SNAP benefits when purchasing fruits and vegetables. It's basically a dollar matching program. So you go in, you buy produce, but you end up being able to spend twice as much money as long as you're buying healthy food. You can find other participating locations in Oklahoma at doubleupoklahoma.org. In Pennsylvania, approximately 100,000 inquiries have been made through the state's P-EBT portal about missing benefits. Some families received benefits for one child but not another, and other families did not receive them at all. State officials have stated that they will reissue about 35,000 P-EBT cards in specific areas and school districts that have experienced a lot of issues. These include Connellsville Area School District, Erie City School District, McKeesport Area School District, New Kensington Arnold School District, and Titusville School District. In the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, which is a U.S. Commonwealth, the maximum food benefit has increased and more people are now eligible for food stamps. They've increased the income threshold from 100% of the federal poverty level to 130%, which will make about 2,000 additional people eligible for the program. That's all the news I have for you this month. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more ways to save money and get free stuff.